So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down about three beautiful Makossa or C-bend groove that you can play on your right hand all over the 1-4-1-5 praise progression. So I'll try my best to do the breakdown in multiple keys, okay? So that maybe if you don't understand one, you should be able to flow with the other ones, okay? So some of the keys I'm going to be doing the breakdown on include C, F, F sharp, and C sharp, okay? So as always, let me show you what these three grooves sound like, and then I'm going to break down what I played for you. So here's how it goes. So that's basically how the three grooves goes. So let's break down each of these grooves slowly so that you'll be able to follow along, especially very beginner. So let me start from the key of F. So in the key of F, it goes something like this. Okay, so let me call the suffer note for you. So it's very simple. You can see it on screen. La la la, sol la sol la sol la fa. La la la, so re. Okay. La 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 la, sol la fa. La la la, so re. Okay. So that's basically what I'm playing. But if you observe very well, there's a way I played the la, the so, and the fa. Okay. I wasn't just using single notes like this. Maybe something like la la la, sol la fa. Okay. I wasn't using single note. Okay. So what I was doing when I was on my la, I played it like this. I kind of harmonized the notes. Okay. So I played the mi and the la. Okay. Together like this. Okay. Instead of just I did like this. Okay. And this is how I played the saw. Okay. La la la. Okay. This is where I also play the saw. Okay. Instead of playing it with single notes. Okay. So I play the la like this. You can see. So okay. And this is also the way I play the fa. You can see I play the fa and the do. Okay. Okay. Because I'm harmonizing the fa with the do. Okay. So you just need to keep that in mind also. So it's just like this. Okay, so that's basically all about the first groove. Let's move to the second groove. Let me show you how it sounds, and then I'm going to break it down before we move to the third one. So this second groove is just basically a kind of like a variation of the first groove. Okay, you can see it sound kind of similar, but there's just little difference in some of the notes that we included. Okay, so that's the software note on screen. In case you want to follow through text, you can use that as a guide. But here's what I'm playing in the key of F. Okay, so let me play it very slowly. You see that? And again, just like the previous one, if you notice, I wasn't just playing single note all through. I was kind of playing with chords, or I was harmonizing the notes, each of the notes. Okay, so instead of playing the do in single note form like this, I was including the mi. Okay, like this. So this mi kind of harmonizes it. So instead of just we have something like this. Okay, so do 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 so do. Okay, la la. Okay, you can see that. So this is where I play the la, the fa, sorry. I play the fa and the do beneath like this. Okay. Okay. La la la, so la, so re. Okay, you just play it together on your right hand. So for the left hand, don't worry much about the bass line. I'm not thinking much about what I'm playing on my left hand. A very simple trick you can use to play at least decent bass lines on your left hand is just using the notes of the chord. Okay, so you know we are playing the 4, 1, 5 progression on the left hand. So I'm just using the notes of the chord. I'm just kind of playing around with different rhythms using the notes of the chord. Okay, so I'm just doing something like this. This is the 1. So this is the 1 in the key of F. Okay, then I go to the 4, then I go back to the 1, to the saw. Okay, so you can just play around with the notes of the chords in the progression for the bass line. Okay, so that's basically all about the second groove. So let's move to the final groove. Let me show you, and then I'm going to break it down for you. So in the key of F, this is basically what I'm doing. Okay, then you start again. So just as you can see the sofa note on screen, so what I'm basically playing is just mi, re, do, la. Then I played la, la, so, re. Re, do, la. Okay, la, so, re. Okay, that's just basically what I'm playing all through. Okay, but if you notice, I was playing it with chords. Okay, dyad chords. That is 2 notes chords on the right hand. So instead of just playing the mi like this, I played the mi like this. This is how I play the re. This is how I play the do. This is how I play the la. Okay, so this is the la on top, and this is the fa beneath. Okay, so then you just play la. Okay, so for this next part, this is the way I play the la like this. I play the la over the mi. Okay, but you can play it anyhow you want, but I just noticed that playing it like this sounds better. Okay, that's why I use this. You just play la, so, re. Re, do, la, so, re. Okay, very beautiful. So very quickly, let me show you this first groove in some other keys so that you can follow along if you don't understand the key of F. So in the key of C, it's just like this, very simple. This is just it. Okay. Okay. So that's in the key of C. So we can go to the key of F sharp. Okay. I notice many people are also very comfortable with the key of F sharp. So here's the groove in the key of F sharp. So in the key of C is like this. In the key of C sharp or D flat, this is how it goes. Okay. In the key of F sharp, it goes like this.